How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our MultiColor Raptor-X Linear. So when you get your Raptor out of the box, you'll have your Raptor go into your cables, and then you'll have your connector here. And this is to be used with our optional SIG plug, or you can cut this off in Hardwire if you'd like to. Now on our optional SIG plug, you'll have two power modes. So if you flip your power switch up, you'll be in power mode 1, and if you flip it down, you'll be in power mode 2. So this allows you to have two flash pattern memories. And then you have your flash pattern toggle switch here. So let's go over those features. So for example here, I brought a red-blue unit and I'm using my optional SIG plug. Now on my SIG plug, I have my power mode 1 and I also have my power mode 2. And you'll notice I have a different flash pattern program for each of those modes. And then I have my flash pattern toggle switch here to change patterns. And each of my modes will have their own memory recall, so I can easily swap between power mode 2 or back to power mode 1. And then if I put my power switch in the middle, you'll notice my unit will go off. And then you also have your power mode 1 and power mode 2 cables in your cable harness here if you would like to hardwire. Now we do offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor, so let's go over a couple of those. So here I brought an amber clear multicolor unit, and here I brought a green clear multicolor unit. But again, we offer these in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor. And we even have our customize a light bar tool if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle. Now let's go over a couple of our tricolor configurations. So for example, I brought a red-blue clear color unit. Now on this one, my primary colors are red-blue and my secondary color is clear. And then up here, I brought a red-blue amber color unit. Now my primary colors are red-blue and my secondary color is amber. And you'll notice my light bars are on different flash patterns, but each of these light bars will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them, as well with the dual memory recall. Now another really cool feature with our multicolor units is you can run your units in multicolor, your primary color, or your secondary color with the built-in flash pattern. So you'll see here in power mode 1, I'm running my unit in multicolor, and then in power mode 2, I'm running my unit in its primary color. Or I can easily swap that to the secondary color by cycling to my secondary color patterns. And again, this is a red, blue, amber unit, so the primary color is red, blue, and then my secondary color will be amber. So you'll see I can easily swap between multicolor, my primary, or my secondary color. And then the unit does have memory recall, so you can easily swap from power mode 2 back to power mode 1. So you'll see that you have plenty of versatility by being able to run multicolor, your primary, or your secondary colors independently. When it comes to mounting your Raptor, we offer our universal or vehicle-specific bracket options. Now with our universal, you'll get 4 long, 4 short, and 4 base brackets, and then you'll notice on your Raptor you have your rear slide track here, and then you also have additional screw holes on the bottom so you can find the correct combination of these brackets for your vehicle. And then we also offer our optional visor extender for additional versatility. So that covers our MultiColor Raptor-X Linear. Make sure to watch our flash pattern videos and also check out our interactive players underneath the main product pictures. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.